Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on Tinder. First of all, of course, you would like to have the Tinder application on your phone. So if you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So after launching the Tinder application and logging in or sign in, that actually will be your home screen. Of course, you can be, or you can have another person here. So what you would like to do if you want to edit your profile is simply by clicking at your profile picture at the top right or left corner, sorry. So if you go and click on that, of course, here you will find here three options. You can of course go to the settings, safety, or even click at edit profile. So if you click at edit profile here, as you can see, of course, you can add several pictures as well if you want. Of course, if you don't want to, just ignore all of that. You have the photo option, which is smart photo. So if you want to actually get verified on Tinder, all you would like to do is just take two instantly selfies, and they should match your pictures downloaded here, so you should, or you will get verified on Tinder. So of course you can add or maybe change about me something. Of course you can change your interests as well. Of course you can maybe wait, let me just go to interest again. So of course you can add more than just 5, or sorry, that's max selection. So if you want to add more than 5, you would like to remove one of your actually interests. So if you remove one of them, so let me just show you. As you can see, if I want to add, I can. So I would like to remove one of them, then I will be able to like add another one. So the maximum will be actually 5. Then I click at done and it will be edited. Of course you can add lifestyle, which is zodiac, personality type, pets, smoking. You can add some job title, a company, school, living in, of course, where you are actually living. You can show your Instagram photos, you can connect it with Instagram directly, you can show your anthem, of course, and or you can, yeah, you can choose an anthem or my top Spotify artists, which you can connect your Spotify with Tinder again and add the Spotify to your profile. Of course you can show if you are a man and sexual orientation, and you can edit this as well. And of course you can control your profile. So if you want to do, don't, so if you don't want them to show your age or the distance, of course that will actually needs from you to get the Tinder Plus. So if you want to get that, of course you would like just to get, click at continue. As you can see here, that will the features that you would like to have if you get this Tinder Plus. So for us, I'm not gonna get the Tinder Plus, I'm just showing you how to actually edit your profile. So that will be actually for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.